Welcome to Thangs, where we unravel the enigma of paradoxes. Here you are stepping into a realm, a spectacle unlike any other, where we seek to uncover the mysteries of perplexing paradoxes that have puzzled minds for countless centuries. This is a place where the cryptic meets the comprehensible, where the baffling intersects with the rationale. Paradoxes, the esoteric aspects of life and the universe, are subjects that stretch the boundaries of our comprehension. They challenge our cognition, forcing us to push the limits of our understanding. We, at Thangs, are your guides on this thought-provoking journey, as we dive into the depths of the ocean of paradoxes that lie at the heart of existence. We're on a mission to enlighten, to provoke thought, and question the boundaries of what's known and unknown. We're not just about presenting facts and figures. We're about sparking curiosity, igniting a passion for understanding the inexplicable, the strange, and the surreal. We're about finding beauty in the bewildering, solace in the strange, and understanding in the unexplainable. Our exploration will take you through the labyrinth of paradoxes, through perplexing paths and puzzling crossroads. You'll marvel at the contradictions that make up the fabric of our universe, the inconsistencies that challenge our perceptions of reality. We will explore paradoxes from the fields of philosophy, science, mathematics, and beyond. Each one a riddle yet to be completely solved, a mystery yet to be fully uncovered. Prepare to have your mind stretched, challenged, and twisted in ways you never thought possible. You'll be exposed to concepts that seem to run counter to everything you thought you knew. Each episode will take you on a journey of discovery, where you'll come face to face with the conundrums that continue to intrigue us. Expect to be amazed, to be puzzled, to question, and to learn. Expect the unexpected. Our goal is to stimulate, to educate, and inspire. We're here to serve as your compass, guiding you through the landscape of paradoxical phenomena, helping you navigate the complex terrain of contradictions and inconsistencies. We'll help you navigate the complex terrain of contradictions and inconsistencies. We'll help you view the world through a different lens, a lens that reframes what we consider normal and that sheds light on the strange and the mysterious. So buckle up, get ready for an intellectual adventure of a lifetime. We're about to embark on a journey through a world that defies our conventional wisdom, a world that is as baffling as it is fascinating. You've entered Paradoxes Unraveled, exploring the limits of logic. This journey won't be easy. It'll be filled with intellectual hurdles, riddles that need solving, and mysteries that need unraveling. But the reward will be immense. You'll come away with new perspectives, new ways of thinking, and an enriched understanding of the world and the universe. We ask you to keep an open mind, to question, to ponder, and to engage. We're going to challenge your cognitive boundaries. We're going to make you think in ways you've never thought before. This is a journey of discovery. This is a journey of learning. This is a journey of enlightenment. We hope you're as excited as we are to embark on this journey. We promise it'll be a ride you won't forget. So as you delve into this world of paradoxes with us, we ask you to not just passively watch, but to actively engage, to question, and to learn. This is more than just a show. This is an intellectual adventure, a journey of discovery. We're excited to have you here, and we can't wait to embark on this mind-bending. Let's take a step back in time to explore the pioneers of paradoxes, the thinkers who dared to challenge the conventional. From the ancient Greeks to modern mathematicians, these intellects have shaped the paradoxical world we navigate today. First up is Zeno of Elea, a pre-Socratic philosopher known for his mind-bending paradoxes of motion. His famous Achilles and the tortoise paradox posed a conundrum that even the swift Achilles could never overtake the slow tortoise in a race, given the tortoise a slight head start. Fast forward to the 20th century, we encounter Bertrand Russell, a British philosopher and logician. His paradox, known as Russell's paradox, shook the foundations of set theory, a branch of mathematical logic. And who can forget the Schrodinger's cat paradox, a thought experiment proposed by the physicist Erwin Schrödinger. He challenged the Copenhagen interpretation of quantum mechanics, introducing a cat that could be simultaneously dead and alive. These are but a few of the many paradox pioneers whose ideas continue to provoke thought and debate in our modern world. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into their paradoxes in our next segment, Remember, the more complex the paradox, the more intriguing the unraveling. We're back, ready to dissect some of the most mind-bending paradoxes in history, so strap in tight. Let's start with Zeno's Achilles and the tortoise paradox. Did you know that this paradox is not just a philosophical conundrum, but has applications in real-world physics? It's been used to explain the concept of limits in calculus, a critical tool in modern physics and engineering. Moving on, let's examine Russell's paradox, which questioned the very foundations of set theory. This paradox led to a major reformulation of set theory, now known as Zermelo-Fraenkel set theory, which has become a standard in mathematics. Finally, let's look at Schrodinger's cat. This paradox has been a staple in discussions about quantum mechanics. While it might seem absurd to imagine a cat that's both dead and alive, this paradox speaks to the fundamental uncertainty in quantum physics. It's also been used in popular culture, from TV shows like The Big Bang Theory to films like Coherence. To support our deep dive, we've gathered data and statistics from research papers and studies. For instance, a survey conducted by the American Mathematical Society shows that 80% of mathematicians believe that paradoxes are not just intellectual puzzles, but tools to drive the progress of mathematical thought. As we navigate through these paradoxes, we'll be showing you images and video clips to illustrate these concepts. These include diagrams explaining Zeno's paradox, animations illustrating Russell's paradox, and even clips from popular media that have referenced Schrodinger's cat. So, let's get ready to dive deeper into the fascinating world of paradoxes. Remember, the journey to understanding is often as intriguing as the destination itself. Welcome to the next layer of our paradoxical exploration. Here, we delve into the lesser-known aspects and unique insights about these paradoxes. Did you know Zeno's paradoxes were initially dismissed as mere sophistry? It wasn't until the advent of calculus centuries later that their true depth was appreciated. The paradoxes force us to confront the infinite, a concept that continues to challenge us in various fields, from computer science to cosmology. Russell's paradox, on the other hand, was a wake-up call to mathematicians about the dangers of assuming too much. It taught us that every theory needs to be carefully examined for hidden inconsistencies. This lesson is still relevant today, as researchers in fields like artificial intelligence and quantum computing strive to build on solid theoretical foundations. And speaking of quantum computing, Schrodinger's cat is more than a thought experiment. It's a glimpse into the strange world of quantum superposition. This paradox could be key to the future of computing, where quantum bits or qubits can be in multiple states at once, potentially revolutionizing our technological capabilities. We'll be presenting images and videos that illustrate these perspectives and theories, including a graphical representation of the infinite series in Zeno's paradox, a visual explanation of the logical inconsistencies in Russell's paradox, and an animated depiction of a qubit in a state of superposition. Let's also explore the implications of these paradoxes on future trends. As we delve deeper into this realm, you'll find paradoxes not just as intellectual curiosities, but as powerful catalysts of change. So sit back and enjoy as we unravel the intriguing world of the unknown. In this scene, we will break down complex concepts and terms related to paradoxes. We aim to make these abstract ideas more digestible and relatable through the use of helpful analogies and metaphors. Let's begin with Zeno's paradoxes. Imagine you're trying to reach a destination, but with each step you take, you only cover half the remaining distance. No matter how many steps you take, you never quite reach your goal. This is the essence of Zeno's paradoxes, and it's encapsulated in the concept of an infinite series. Now think about Russell's paradox as a librarian trying to categorize books about libraries. If the librarian puts the book in the books about libraries category, it becomes a paradox because the book is now part of its own category. This illustrates the logical inconsistencies that Russell's paradox highlights. Finally, let's tackle Schrodinger's cat. Picture a coin that's spinning in the air. It's both heads and tails until it lands. In the quantum world, that coin never has to land. This is the concept of quantum superposition, the principle behind Schrodinger's cat paradox. It's also the foundation of quantum computing, where a qubit can be both 0 and 1 at the same time, much like the spinning coin. To help you visualize these concepts, we'll show you images and videos that bring these analogies to life. By the end of this scene, we hope these paradoxes will feel less like abstract puzzles and more like fascinating doorways into the deeper workings of the universe. Welcome to the next chapter of our journey into the world of paradoxes. Now that we've decoded the complexities of these mind-bending concepts, let's dive into some of the most interesting and unusual stories from history that illustrate these paradoxes in action. Imagine a time-traveling man who goes back in time to invent the very time machine he used for his journey. This is known as the bootstrap paradox, a concept widely used in science fiction, like in the movie Back to the Future. Now let's delve into the ship of Theseus paradox. Imagine a wooden ship that over time has all its parts replaced. Is it still the same ship? This paradox actually sparked a real-life legal battle in the 19th century when the ship HMS Victory was being restored and parts were sold as memorabilia. The question arose, at what point does a restored object lose its original identity? Lastly, let's visit the paradox of the unexpected hanging, a twisted tale of a prisoner sentenced to hang unexpectedly within a week. The prisoner logically deduced that he couldn't be hanged at all, but was surprised when the executioner came on the last day. This paradox serves as a cautionary tale about the limits of logical reasoning in real-world situations. As we go through these tales, we'll be showing you images and video clips that help bring these stories to life. Each of these narratives, as strange and entertaining as they might be, serve to illustrate the intriguing nature of paradoxes and their place, not just in the realm of abstract thought, but in our everyday lives as well. So, buckle up because this is going to be a fun ride through history and paradoxes. In this scene, we take a step back and reflect on the journey we've been on. We've unraveled the complexities of paradoxes, dived deep into their historical implications, and explored unusual stories that demonstrate these mind-bending concepts in action. The bootstrap paradox, the ship of Theseus, and the unexpected hanging paradox. All these stories highlight the fascinating, sometimes perplexing intersection of logic, philosophy, and our everyday lives. As we show you images and video clips summarizing these key points, let's remember how paradoxes, despite their often abstract nature, have real-world implications and can challenge our understanding of reality. But isn't that the beauty of paradoxes? They push the boundaries of our knowledge and understanding, forcing us to question, to think, to wonder. Now here's a thought to ponder on. If paradoxes are a product of our logical reasoning, what does their existence say about the limitations of our logic? Or perhaps are they simply a testament to the endless possibilities of the human mind? These are the questions we leave you with as we conclude our exploration of paradoxes.